Dropped my phone. Okay, so I'm just packaging a petticoat to send off to be something productive, and kind of have to send it off. And I've also had my coat on, not because it's also freezing, but also not because it's freezing, but also because I have to pick up my brother from school. So I'm just doing that. Just popping in a handwritten note, kind of in a rush because I need to get going, and then I'll just seal it up. So confused, why is it sunny and warm when it was like freezing and snowing, hailstoning yesterday? Well, it's the next day and it is snowing in March, mid-March practically. So it's not sticking to the floor because it was raining out earlier. I don't know what in the world is going on with the weather. So this is live footage of my mum running because the repairman was here and I had to leave for uni, get my bus and get my train. So I was rushing her to get back so I could leave. So this is me just walking back from uni, and I spotted a bird and the daffodils. I think the daffodils, the yellow flowers, and they're so pretty. I just love spring and when flowers come out. So I got home, got changed, rested a little and prayed, and my mum was busy prepping the iftar for everyone. Now I have to have my green tea. It helps me relax and I just love it. So this is me opening up my fabric delivery after iftar, since I have more energy now and feeling a bit more productive. So me and my mum decided to browse around and look at some kitchen ideas because we did have not set in stone plans, but planning to get our kitchen redone. Don't know when, but had fun looking around. So this is me after uni in the rain, going to pick up some medications, and I also picked up something else, can't remember. And then I was so exhausted and knackered that day. So I had iftar with my brother, my younger brother, in the living room. So if you stayed around this long, thanks for watching. I only pieced like bits of video clips that I had of last week's Ramadan, and inshallah my next vlog will be a bit more in it, because last week I was at uni and that's what's my focus, and this week I'm not.